In today's video, I will be using AI to write script, edit, and create a faceless YouTube video to write the script. I will be using Chat GPT. If you haven't used Chat GPT before, please watch our previous videos. All you have to do is ask Chat GPT to write you a script for the YouTube video that you have in mind for this example. I have asked Chat GPT to write us a YouTube script for a video about the health and fitness, and as you can see, Chat GPT is doing its thing. It's writing out the full script for us when you are creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is the part that's going to take the most time. So it's really nice though. Chat GPT has gone ahead and created that full linked YouTube script for us. This is one of the best script-to-video tools you can use, and they make it very intuitive and very easy to use. There is a link in the description for a free trial of Pictory if you want to try it out. So once you are on Pictory, there are a couple of ways in which you can turn your content into videos. You can do article to videos. You can edit your videos using text, or you can do visuals to a video. But for this example, we will be using the script to video template to get started. Go ahead and click Proceed and enter the name of your video. Next, here is where you'll paste the full script for our YouTube video. Once you have pasted your script, you can then proceed to the next step, which is selecting your video style. Pictory offers a wide range of video styles to choose from, such as animated, live action, and whiteboard. For this example, let's say we have selected the saturate design and choose dimension of your video. I will use 16:9 and continue. It's take couple of minutes, so please wait while the video storyboard is being created. Now you can see on left side our storyboard and right side our video is ready. You can proceed to the next step, which is adding music and sound effects to your video. Pictory has a library of royalty-free music and sound effects that you can choose from. However, if you have your own music or sound effects that you'd like to use, you can also upload them. Once you have added your music and sound effects, you can preview your video and make any final edits before exporting it. Exporting your video is a straightforward process. Once your video is exported, you can then upload it to YouTube or any other video platform of your choice. In conclusion, Chat GPT is a powerful tool for creating engaging scripts for YouTube videos and other content. And with Pictory, turning your script into a video, whether you are a solo entrepreneur or part of a larger team, using Chat GPT and Pictory can save you a lot of time and effort in creating high-quality videos for your YouTube channel. So give it a try and see how it can help you create more engaging in professional videos for your channel. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channels. Thanks for watching.